Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoins. This is the intraday. We're gonna see what happened with this aggressive move for Bitcoin, of course, after some news regarding the global tension again, which it never ends in the Middle East, of course. And we heard something as escalation again. So we gotta be careful. Market is still, of course, that means hesitating and still the fear over there. Despite that, we saw, of course, a move impulsive toward the upside. Never forget that this 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is still there. The invalidation of bearish still not taken. And as I mentioned, if the price stays below this number, we are still in a pressure for selling. And here we are. It is very risky, of course, always when we are not yet confirmed, of course, with an invalidation, meaning what happened right now, guys, is that after this impulse that we got here, after a potential 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5, even this wave 5 is not really nice. So I consider all of it here kind of a correction, and this is your wave 5, meaning if this is a finished impulse and we're still looking here at something as an A, B, and a C, yeah, so meaning expanding flat and a wave C, that can be the case scenario. However, of course, to watch something here as a key level is a 1.618 for a wave C in an expanding flat, which is very, very close, by the way. And we're gonna see what's gonna happen in this region here over there. If the things start to show a little bit a signal of strength, so we might reconsider, but we gotta be careful. If broken, and because of course of the 15-minute that we just saw, a very massive meltdown, of course, since the news has started. So the things, are not looking pretty good. However, at the end, of course, this wave C has to unfold in case we are in an ABC expanding flat, and we should rebound toward the upside again. But if the things will continue to drop and break this level, the 1.618, 75, K 581, that means of course the price might continue simply to our major red zone here that we were looking for anyway for wave 5 again, because we are of course in an impulse wave 4 that it is still of course putting some pressure of selling in a wave 5 that it might still be unfolding, guys, over there. And that means in case we get this potential wave 5 finished there, don't forget that also you have another chance to push for higher again after this impulse A, B, and a C, meaning the large impulse that we are getting right now here is a wave C as well, which it can finish, of course, another 1, 2. So if this is a large 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, I'm going to put it in a bracket here with the yellow. And that means, of course, yes, very likely that we can push for higher. But I believe anyway, because the minimum requirement, 0.38 Fibonacci level, 73K 700 is required. And that means the wave 5 might simply take it before we push toward the upside again. Yep, so that was it to the intraday for Bitcoin, guys. Trade safe. Of course, the market is still a little bit, not stable because of the global tension that we have it like since months. What a year, guys. But we gotta be careful. So trade safe. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.